How to write 0.375 in fraction form. Okay, so you need numerator and denominator. For numerators, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. We have 3 digits, so write 310 as a multiplication. So we are done. This is the fraction. Now your task is to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? Look, we need to, if you want to simplify a fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. But if you want to reduce that fraction in multi steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So if I divide this 10 by 5, I will get 2. If I divide 375 by 5, I will get what? 5 goes into 37, 7 times, 7 times 5, 35, subtract 2, bring down this, 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So 75. Again, this 75 is divisible by 5, this 10 is divisible by 5. If you divide 10 by 5, I'll get 2. If I divide this 75 by 5, what I'll get? 5 goes into 7, 1 time 5, 5, to bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So 15. Again, this 15 is divisible by 5, this 10 is divisible by 5. So I will get 3 and I will get 2. Now look, 3 is a prime number as it has only two factor, 1 and 3. That is 1 and that is itself. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Since numerator is a prime number, so only factor that is common between these two number is 1. If you divide this and this by 1, you will get the same thing. So 0.375 as a fraction in simplest form is this.